Man, I've been waiting for this day for what feels like years. And the Jeep is going to be living at my friend's house for maybe a week or two. We are going to get started again on all of the bodywork, everything that needs to be done to prep it out for paint. So follow along as my friend Reed and I go and drop off this beast at my other friend's house.
Oh yeah, that is what I'm talking about.
A chain reaction grabs me from within. She sweeps me off my feet and then puts me down again. I don't need no silver, I don't need no gold. I got my baby's touch and I can feel it in my soul. Oh, how she loves me, picks me up and takes me high.
Woo! That's the plane.
Oh yeah, look at that, look at that.
Chrysler 200, bro. What was up with that Chrysler 200, bro?
Man, wild drivers out.
Go speed up on them and let them know what's good. They don't know what it is. Yeah.
I hope you guys have enjoyed the video so far. I am thrilled to announce that the Project Wagoneer is well on the way and in the works. This is such an exciting time. I've been waiting so long to get started again on doing all this body work. If you're new to this channel and the project, you may not have known that I bought this Jeep back in 2020. I started doing a little body work on it. I started an old patch panel along with some various other things like rust repair, and I removed all the wood. I ended up moving out of state for a year, and I haven't touched the Jeep in terms of any body work. So if you're not already subscribed, join me for every Wagoneer Wednesday at 7 p.m. I'll upload a video on the Wagoneer. Stay tuned for the upcoming projects and everything I got planned for this. There is so much to do. I'm way over my head, if I'm being completely honest with you. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned because we got some big things coming for this Jeep.